Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Wendy, I live in Narberth, Pembrokeshire, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator. Well, today now we're going to play with the Seaside spray. I've got the Seaside spray card here and the Seaside spray ink. Now first of all, let's put the little moon in. This moon is from this stamp, Mountaineer, and it's one of the new stamps that Stampin' Up are doing, and you can actually use the front and the back side of the stamp to stamp with. So that's available in, if you follow the links at the end of this video, it'll take you straight through my shop where you can put your order in. You don't have to ring me up or anything, you can just go to the site and put an order in. And by the wonders of modern technology, I'll get an email then saying that somebody's ordered from me, and then I should get in contact with you and send you a little something in the post. I haven't decided yet what I'm going to send, but it'll be something. Now then, made a mistake on my last one, so I had to start all over again. Anything that you want in the front of the cards, you've got to stamp first, okay? Not like I did just now and stamped second and it was a mess. I had the mountain going through the deer's neck, poor little thing. And just checking little smudges around the outside, just on the top there. Right, we're going to put these over to the left here. They are beautiful, absolutely beautiful stamp this, and I'm really pleased I got hold of it. Here we go, look. Yeah, doesn't that look absolutely gorgeous? Lovely little deer. Oh, they're so sweet. I do love little deers. Right, now then, put that to one side. And another thing I want to the foreground is the trees. Here we go, and then stamp them, and then I'll show you what we do so we don't stamp over the top of them. Here we go. Now then, with tree now, we get the tree to the left and down a bit. I'm leaving a little bit of space at the bottom so I can put some grass in there, so we haven't got a floating tree. Oops. Did I move it? Did I? No. Oh, phew. Didn't move that. Good. Right, now then. We want some mountains now, don't we? Right. Where's my mountain gone? Oh, it's over there. The mountain. What I'm going to do, I am going to put some ink on there. And I don't want all of this to be stamped, so I'm going to do that like that, and then what I do is just to measure it up as to which bit is going to go where. So what I'm going to do now, instead of masking off the deer, I'm just going to take some of that, just take some of the ink off that side. Nope, no, I did it the wrong side. Oh dear. Okay, we'll take some ink off both sides then, shall we? Right, so if I do it like that and like that, yes, I'm going to leave the tree mask on. It's not sticky, this one. I cheated a bit by using the bits that we stick to the back of the stamps instead of cutting my own out. So now that I'm coming away from the deer now, and I'm going to stamp on top of the tree, because we want the tree in the front. There we go. And you can see the little bits of wispy clouds and stuff, but I'm sure we can get over that. See what I mean up there? We can get over that try adding a little cloud in the sky. I wasn't going to put a cloud there, but I suppose it's going to work. It'll work. Oh, dear. There we go. Stamp it off because it's the first stamping. Oh, it's a beautiful cloud too. This really is a brilliant set to get because you could just use little parts of it. Now then there's a splodge there. So we will now put the cloud over the splodge. Because I think we're getting the hang of getting rid of the splodge monsters, aren't we? There we go. And you never say there was anything there, did you? Would you, rather? Right, I'm going to put this stamp up here now. And then I'm going to get the grass. Because I know there's little bits of grass, but I do like to put just that teeny weeny bit more on the top, just to make it look a little bit more grassy. And you don't have to do stumps. Just go stamp and then do a second or a third generation stamping, and then what that does then, it gives you the depth. So because things closer to you always are darker than the things that are far away. So that's why we do this second or third generation, because it gives the depth then to the card. Now then the only other, oh look at me, the only other little thing now I'm missing is a sentiment. And does this fit in there? No, sorry, I should be back now. Why do I always forget things? I don't know. Where are you? There we go. From my first and favourite stamp, well, one of my favourite stamp sets. And let's see, is that going to fit there? Oh, it isn't. Oh dear, what have I got here? There we go. That one. Yes. Have a little. Line it up there. And we'll stamp, and this one says, "Thanks for being you." It's a lovely saying, isn't it? Thanks for being you. Don't try to be somebody else in life. Be yourself, and then people will then love you for what you are, not what you're trying to be. I'm just going to stick this now then between the deer and the tree. I'll leave that there for a minute. Right. There we go. And that's the finished topper. I think that's a beautiful topper. Now that could be then put that on the front of a card, and that's about all you need. Actually, I'll do that now, and then that's another card finished with then, isn't it? Oops, that's where I made a mistake. There are two sides to every card for that reason alone, I think. There we go. Just stop myself moving it. Write it on there, stand it up. And there we go. Beautiful little beautiful little topper, and it says it all really, doesn't it? Thank you ever so much for watching, and I will be on here again very soon this week with another alphabet series, and this week is B. Thanks very much. Bye.